Let's solve this together. It says if AB is equal to 100, BC is equal to 200, AC is equal to 300, it says you should find A plus B plus C. How do we do this? Now the first thing to do is that we can take these two equations. So we can take this equation 1, equation 2, equation 3. So we say equation 1 multiplied by equation 2 all over equation 3 gives us what? So it gives us AB times BC over AC. Now we have that A takes A, C takes C, and this is equal to what's AB? 100. What's BC? 200. What's AC? 300. Alright? Now, 100 into 300 is 3. So we have this as B squared to be equal to 200 all over 3. Moving on, we can interchange this and we have equation 1 times equation 3 divided by equation 2. Now this implies that, okay, so what's equation 1? We have AB times AC all over BC. C is equal to, what's AB? 100, AC 300, BC 200. This will take this. We have 50 times 3, which is equal to 150. And what's equal to 150? We have that A squared is equal to 150. Okay. Now moving on, we can also do the same thing again. So we have that equation 3 multiplied by equation 2 all over equation 1 implies that we are going to have AC times BC all over AB to be equal to, okay, so we have 300 times 200 all over 100. This is equal to 600. All right. So then it means that our what we have here is what? C squared, okay, is equal to 600. All right. So we have that A squared, B squared, and C squared is what we have now. But then remember that we are required to find A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C all squared. Now this is equal to A plus B plus C multiplied by A plus B plus C. Okay, which implies that this is equal to A times A is A squared, A times B is AB, alright? A times C is AC. The same thing, B times A is AB, B times B is B squared, B times C is BC. Okay, so the third one is now C times A is AC, C times B is BC, and C times C is C squared. Okay, now rewriting this becomes A squared plus B squared plus C squared. Now we have AB 2 times, so we have plus 2AB. Okay, so we finish with this. We have AC 2 times, so we have plus 2AC. Okay, so we finished with this as well. We have BC 2 times, we have plus 2BC. Okay, now moving on, recall that we've gotten the values for A squared and B squared and C squared. A squared, as we know, is equal to 150. B squared is equal to 200 over 3. C squared is equal to 600 plus AB is 100, so we have 2 multiplied by 100 plus AC is 300, so we have 2 multiplied by 300 plus BC is 200, so we have 2 multiplied by 200. Okay, and this becomes equal to 150 plus 600 is 750 plus 200 over 3 plus 2 times 100 is 200 plus 2 times 300 is 600 plus 2 times 200 is 400. Okay, now Adding up, we have 750 plus 200 to be 950. 950 plus 1000 is 1950 plus 200 over 3. This is equal to 3 times 1950 is plus 200 all over 3. Okay, and this is equal to, we now have from here that we have 0, 5, 0, 6 over 3 to be equal to a squared plus, sorry, a plus b plus c all squared, remember. Hence, we now have that a plus b plus c will be equal to square root of 6050 all over 3. And this becomes the final answer to the equation. But you can also consider putting plus or minus so that you can get the ranges of values for this equation. Thanks for watching. I hope you understood. Please like, comment, subscribe. Peace out.